Welcome to know about ClickFunnels and Clickbank. ClickFunnels and Clickbank. How to use ClickFunnels to promote Clickbank products. If you're trying to sell Clickbank products, then one of the coolest tools you can use is ClickFunnels. Before I hop into some super powerful strategies, I want to quickly give you the rundown regarding what the difference between Clickbank and ClickFunnels. Clickbank versus ClickFunnels. Whose click are you in? Clickbank is a marketplace where you can sell products as both an affiliate and a vendor. The Clickbank marketplace is stuffed to the brim with a ton of different niche markets: weight loss, marketing, education, green energy, self-help, dating, and more. ClickFunnels is a marketing software that will let you build marketing funnels. Specifically, you can build affiliate bridge funnels and use it to build your email list. If any of this sounds interesting, then I invite you to brainstorm a bunch of cool ways you can use to promote Clickbank products. As you can see, you absolutely need both ClickFunnels and Clickbank to be a successful online affiliate marketer. Choosing your perfect Clickbank niche and how to use ClickFunnels to succeed. The very first step when promoting any type of Clickbank affiliate offer is to choose your ideal niche. Personally, my advice is always the same, and that's to choose the niche that you like the most. So what type of niche are you passionate about? Do you like to help entrepreneurs? Are you interested in green energy? Do you want to help people find the perfect life partner? The truth is that you should always choose a niche that's both popular and also one that you're passionate about. The way, you can create tons of helpful content for your niche, and hopefully, you'll have a ton of fun doing it. This is tremendously important in my opinion, because the more passionate you are about a topic, the better your content and the more persuasive it's probably going to be. Of course, once you have a good niche that you want to target, you can then browse the Clickbank marketplace and choose from their many products. You won't have trouble finding a cool product to promote in almost any mainstream niche, and new products are being added all the time. Click the link below this video for more updates. Let's talk about affiliate marketing bridge funnels. Once you have a niche and a product in mind, ClickFunnels can make your job of creating an affiliate marketing bridge funnel super easy. ClickFunnels has a ton of done-for-your email list building templates that are perfect for affiliates. One of my favorite types of funnel template is the affiliate bridge funnel. An affiliate marketing bridge funnel will allow you to build your email list, pre-sell your favorite affiliate offers, and also pitch your affiliate offers in a super cool way. These are super easy to customize within ClickFunnels, so you can simply choose a template, and then drag and drop your way to a customization that matches your brand and style. Thanks for watching this video.